What's up YouTube? This is Avery TV. Today I'll be doing a first taste video. I'm in my car right now. I'm just waiting for my mom to get out of one of the wine and liquor stores. She's getting some wine and liquor. So I think she's getting vodka or something. So after I had a concert today, and after that I went home and got changed, chilled for a little bit. Then my mom asked me if I wanted to go to DQ. And I have not been to DQ since like, I'd say 5 months maybe? It's been so long since I was at DQ. But I'm happy to be back. And I'll be doing a first taste video of a Royal Blizzard. This is going to be the Royal, I believe it's the ultimate Choco Brownie. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, so here it is. I asked for, it's chocolate ice cream, but I decided to ask for vanilla because honestly, I prefer vanilla ice cream in my Blizzards than chocolate, but chocolate's good though. I just prefer vanilla, honestly, or twist. So here it is. Royal Blizzard, never had it before. It's in a different colored spoon. I guess that's how they do it for the Royal Blizzard or something. I had to take it to go though because we didn't feel like staying. So look at that. That looks so good, guys. I am excited to try this today. It has brownie pieces, fudge in the middle, and chocolate chunks. It's just like it's literally the chocolate extreme, but with more fudge, probably. Oh, I see the fudge dipped in there already. Oh my goodness. I am so pumped to try this today. So, oh, my mom just returned. What do you know?
Cold outside.
Very cold, so never had this before, so I don't know what it smells like. I can smell fudge in there. All right, here we go. Wow. That's incredible. That is incredible, guys. No way. I have to say, this is my first time ever having a Royal Blizzard, but I've had a natural Blizzard though. Not the Royal, but Royal Blizzards are amazing in my opinion. I'll tell you why. Because I think, because it literally reminds me of the Chocolate Extreme Blizzard, but just more fudge in it, and it's like more fattening, and it's delicious. I really hope the Brownie Bear Blizzard can return because that is my favorite Blizzard so far at Dairy Queen, and chocolate. And this is definitely my second favorite. I don't know how long they're gonna have this for. It might be only out for a limited time for this one, but this is really good. I am very surprised with this Blizzard. It is amazing. Soft serve is amazing. Definitely tastes the vanilla soft serve in there. Brownies are very moist. What it should be in a Blizzard. I don't like them too hard or dry. Chocolate chunks are very good. The fudge, my favorite part in the Blizzard. I have to say, this is my first time ever having a Royal Blizzard, and I rate this an automatic 5 out of 5. Congratulations, Dairy Queen. What you made was incredible. I did not expect to be this blown away by this. That is so good. I can't wait to have this again next time I go to Dairy Queen. Unless they come out with something even newer. But yeah, so there you have it. My first taste video of the Royal Blizzard. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Please comment and subscribe below, and as always, peace out.